How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the license plate lights on a new generation Saab 9.3. Last night I came out to my Turbo X and I noticed that the right bulb was out, and while I'm pretty sure only having one out is not illegal, if both of these go out it's illegal to drive at night because you can't see this as far as I'm aware. So figured I should take care of that sooner rather than later. So I went to AutoZone this morning. Any generic auto parts store should have these. They're about $7 for the pair. They're very easy to replace, as you'll see here. All you need for it is a T10 Torx screwdriver. So let's get to it. So once you pop open your trunk, you'll see you have your two lights right here. This is the one that's out, but since they come in a pack of two, I'm just going to replace both of them. So you have your two T10 Torx right here. And on my other 9.3, these were all rusted out. So I was able to get them off, but it was very kind of sketchy because they were very corroded. So if yours are very corroded, please be careful because stripping these out would not be fun. I'm just going to stick the end of the screwdriver in there and kind of pop it loose. And use my finger. Pull it out the rest of the way. Now my tripod does not go up any higher than this. So I hope I'm kind of having to hold the trunk slightly down as I'm doing this so you guys can see what I'm doing. So hopefully I'm able to do a good enough of a job to keep it in the frame here. So now we have our old bulbs. You can see just to pop them out. They're kind of wedged in there between these little metal plates. So you just kind of got to use a surprising amount of force to kind of pop it out. There's one of them. So I can see why it went bad. This just kind of broke off the end here. The filament on the inside is not broken, but that just kind of was loose. So clearly that's why it was not working. But let's get our new bulbs and pop them in there. The lights are on. You can see they both work once again. So pretty simple process. Let's go ahead and turn the car off and reinstall these covering plates. Now if your bolts are corroded, I would avoid making these too tight because they will probably just strip right out when you try to take them off next time. So there you have it, guys. Pretty simple process to change those out. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you all next time.